Hi friends, I am Rajat Kumar Fortnaik. So this is my channel and this video is about unboxing the Zenfone Max Pro M1. So this is the 6GB variant and 64GB ROM with 14nm Snapdragon 636 processor. Bolty. Um, Looks good from the outside. Let's see. So tight sealed. Okay, and here, yeah, here we go. So something right there, we photo. Okay, so let's look inside, and there is some paperwork and user manuals. Okay, so let's put it aside, and this is the phone cover. Let me open it. Okay, and this is transparent. Yeah, so here comes the phone set, black color. Not so heavy. Looks good. We'll talk about it later. So what's inside? Hmm. This is the Asus Max Boss, which increase the volume. Comes with a magnet. Yeah, so cool. And then this is an AC adapter with output 5 volt and 2 ampere charging cable. And here is the charging cable. It is USB to micro USB, not USB type C. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. Wow, good finishing. Yeah, looks good. So this is the lock button, volume increase and decrease button, the fingerprint sensor. Tough body. Comes with a 16 plus 5 megapixel with an LED flash. Uh, let's just boot it. Alright. Powered by Android, Asus. Zenfone Max Pro M1. Well, it is a 5.9 and it is a secondary microphone with noise cancellation. And oh, it opened. Well, down there is a charging slot. Let's put some pattern and fingerprint. Okay, so pattern is done. Okay, hide notifications, whatever. Whoa. The fingerprint scan is really fast. Yeah, it's already done. Okay. So all set. The menu button is popping. Maybe something. Okay, let's see how much storage I have down there. Okay, so 9.27 GB, around 54.23 GB is available for me. Okay. This is some face recognition fingerprint scanner. Okay. Let's talk about this camera. Really, I'm so excited to take a shot of it. Here is the mobile box, the portrait mode, and I'm taking a fast shot just for a sample. Alright, I did. Let's turn off the flashlight. Okay, so here is a peek. Look at the depth. Camera really did its work. The backgrounds are blurred. Well, overall, it's a good phone. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, like, comment, share. वैसे